Hello everyone, welcome to this introduction to ECIL MIT Meerut. Let's begin. ECIL MIT Meerut is a student-led entrepreneurship cell that promotes innovation, creativity, and a startup culture among students. It provides a platform to develop ideas, learn from mentors, and transform innovative concepts into successful ventures through workshop, events, competition, and networking opportunities. Now that we have an overview of ECIL MIT, let's look at our vision. Our vision focuses on 5 key areas: inspire young innovators, empower future leaders, transform ideas into impactful ventures, build a strong startup ecosystem, act as a catalyst for entrepreneurship. Let's understand what this vision represents. We act as a catalyst, encouraging students to take the first step towards entrepreneurship. We aim to develop creativity, confidence, and a problem-solving mindset. We promote fearless innovation by inspiring students to learn from failures and keep improving. Ultimately, we strive to transform innovative ideas into successful ventures that create a positive impact on society. With our vision in mind, let's move on to our mission. Our mission is built around 5 important objectives: providing skills and resources, organizing workshops and events, connecting students with mentors, converting ideas into startups, and building a strong entrepreneurial community. Now let's see how we achieve this mission. We achieve our mission by conducting workshops, expert sessions, competitions, and networking events. We connect students with mentors, founders, and industry professionals for guidance. We create a supportive ecosystem where collaboration and innovation can thrive. Our mission is to help every aspiring entrepreneur turn ideas into successful startups. Now let's understand the idea behind our tagline. Our tagline is Ideate, Innovate, Impact. It reflects 3 core ideas. Ideate, generate creative ideas to solve problems. Innovate, think beyond boundaries and challenge the status quo. Impact, create positive change that benefits people and society. Just like our tagline, our logo also reflects the value of ECIL MIT. Our logo features a stylized E, symbolizing entrepreneurship and energy. The lines resemble a startup's growth graph or a digital circuit, representing innovation, movement, and the drive to build. Its clean, modern design reflects clarity of purpose, and the enclosed structure represents a supportive ecosystem where ideas can grow and flourish. Moving ahead, here's our weekly content calendar. To stay connected and learn more about ECIL MIT Meerut, you can visit our website and stay updated with our latest initiatives and activities. Thank you for watching. We hope this presentation has given you a clear introduction to ECIL MIT Meerut. Thank you.